Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant. So today I'll talk about how to connect the Postman with the MySQL, or you can say the database. So firstly you have to set up your backend server. So what exactly is the backend server? You have to choose a backend language or framework. So you need a backend application that you can connect to your MySQL database. Common choice include Node.js with Express. You can use Python with Flask or Django, or you can use Java with Spring Boot. Now you have to connect with the MySQL. So you have to use MySQL client library to connect to your database. For example, if you use Node, you might use MySQL 2 or SQLite. Then you have to create API endpoints to develop RESTful APIs endpoint in your backend applications to handle requests and perform database operations such as get, post, put, or delete. You can write anything. So I'm going to show you how it's done. What I've just explained, I'll show you. Yes. So you have to import here Express. I'm using Node.js with Express. You have to import it. Now I have made here the app and so in this video I will show how to insert data in the MySQL. So that's why I've imported here the insert with insert. I have inserted the insert.js file. So this is the insert.js file, and this I have to use it app.js and with app listen with the port number 8099. So it would be running the port number 8089. Now this is the insert.js file, the basic importing Express and importing the MySQL since I'm using MySQL, and since I will use multiple pages. So today in this video I only talk about insert.js. You can made select update delete as well. So I have here that's why I have here used the where router, and this is the where dot get. Just like I mentioned it, I have to create API endpoints. So I have here used get. Mostly people can do post also, put also, delete also. They can do anything. Now this is the basic post. For creating connection, I have to write this localhost root, the host user, the password, and the database nodes to do. Now we have to import the query. We have to import the variables r, n, and m. And yes, this is so. This is in the database. I have here with the database name is node student, and with the table name is info. This is the info. So that's why we are used host localhost. Username would be root and password CIT, and the database name is node student. And I have taken three variable, which is var a n m n, which means first r means roll number, n means names, and uh, m it mean marks. And then I have to connect con.connect function er, and yes, here is the SQL query I've used here. Insert into info roll number marks value would be. So I will use Postman. So I will insert data in the Postman itself, and get you will get to see the output in the database. You can the MySQL you can say. So I'm going to run this. Firstly, you have to enter in the CMD file. So this is the CMD. Now I have to open in the node. Okay, node app.js, right? Yes, app.js. Now what I have to do this is to write here. So it would be running in port number 8085, right? So I have to write it insert, and I will send this data, and it is showing saved successfully. Now I have to insert whatever I wanted to insert. So yes, I have to insert, let's say, roll number 121. Then let's say name would be Manish, and what's left M. So marks would be, let's say, 99. I would write it. So I will send this data and it is showing saved successfully. So I'll show you how whether it is inserted in the database or not. And you can see it is successfully inserted with the null Manish and 99. So there is a problem in inserting the value of null of roll number. Sorry. So I have to again check it. Sometimes there is error in this, so you have to check it again. Yes, I think here is the problem. I have to again send it, and now maybe it is, and now it is successfully inserted. You can see that with the roll number 121, name Manish and marks 99. So yes, talking about the key consideration, you have to ensure that your API includes proper authentication and authorization mechanisms to secure your MySQL database. You have to implement error handling in your backend to manage database connection issues and invalid requests gracefully. And you have to use Postman environment variables features to manage different configuration such as API endpoint for development and production environment. By following this step, you can effectively use Postman to test and interact with MySQL database through a backend API, facilitating smooth development and testing workflows. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day.